Focusing on Wyckoff accumulation, was this the test that we've seen on Bitcoin's price action in recent days? Let's dive into the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. This is the Wyckoff schematic on the 8-hour time frame, and really truly I thought that this was an invalidated schematic, at least on the 8-hour time frame, because a spring is supposed to take place and a test is supposed to take place at around these phases right over here at the bottom of these two phases, SC and ST, whereas we saw a lower low. So on the 8-hour time frame, I shared to Twitter that this Wyckoff accumulation range is invalidated on this 8-hour time frame. But if you look on the 4-hour time frame and you adjust the test to have been around here, and you're seeing the resistance over here, just adjusting a few things here, this is a correct Wyckoff accumulation. And the thing about this sort of adjusting and changing the time frames, adjusting which phases where, that kind of goes against the entire logic of TA. TA is supposed to outline certain parameters for you and help you just understand where price is, what the scenarios are, and where could we see price go next based on those scenarios and parameters. Whereas here, people seem to be, going to the 8-hour time frame looking for Wyckoff accumulation, then we see an invalidation, and then people start to look at Wyckoff accumulation on the 4-hour time frame, so trying to cherry pick. But I think the most important things here is, yes, perhaps we have seen a test here. This indeed does look like a spring, like I mentioned in a previous video. This does look like a test. Overall, we have to have higher lows continuing, higher highs and higher lows. And at the moment, we're not really seeing perfect higher lows, which is why I suggested that we have an invalidation of the Wyckoff accumulation range. But generally speaking, maybe we don't have to see picture perfect following of the schematic where we're seeing higher highs and higher lows constantly. Maybe we just need to hold certain levels which are really important to us, and that goes for the 31k area, which is in alignment with the SC and ST bottoms. Right over here, you're seeing a double bottom here. And so far so good, and we just need to focus really on the range, just the levels, not necessarily the intra-range price action, because we can get quite easily confused. What we need to focus is on the range low holding. The range low is holding, so you can always make a case for Wyckoff accumulation, especially since we've seen a spring and this range low confirm as a support once again. So if we just pull back here and confirm this level 33,000 as a support once again, then that could be a good case for just that transitional period from phase C to phase D.